Hi, this is Aisha Khan. I am a wellness corporate trainer, and today I am going to be telling you 6 hard hitting career truths. Point number 1, your job title does not matter. What matters is your personal branding. आप imagine करें कि आप एक organization में वो शख्स हैं कि हर इंसान whenever they're going through something hard at home, personally or professionally, they want to be able to come and speak to you about it. They want guidance from you. They want to be able to discuss things with you. They find you as their safe space. Imagine that power. Imagine the influence that you can have in an organization regardless of your title. So your title can be anything, but if you don't have human connection and if you don't have relationships which empower other people, you can keep your title to yourself. It's not going to help. Point number 2, your only comparison should be with you and you solely. Imagine करें कि आप, you know this tiny little voice in your head. Imagine if anything good you do becomes a very loud cheerleader. इतना आप अपने आप को celebrate कर रहे हैं कि you somehow don't stand ground and you somehow become so absorbed and so overconfident, it's not going to take you anywhere. At the same time, imagine that harsh, self-critical आवाज़ जो आपकी, everybody has it, जो हमारे दिमाग में होती है, वो कह रही है यार तुम कुछ भी कर लो, it's not good enough. So, I think the worst thing that you can really do to yourself is to compare yourself with other people, embrace your own journey, be proud of your own journey, and truly imagine कि आप जैसा कोई नहीं है, सिर्फ आप है, and you can take yourself places. Comparing yourself with other people that you think are successful is just a loop. It's not going to get you anywhere. Point 3, you need to have good communication skills, otherwise you will not be able to make authentic connections. Good communication skills होती क्या है? If I need to simplify this for you, firstly, very good active listening skills. Other people should not feel judged. उनको ये लगना चाहिए कि वो आपसे आसानी से बात कर सकते हो और जब वो बात कर रहे हो तो आप अपने फ़ोन में ना देख रहे हो, आप लेफ्ट राइट ना हो रहे हो, आप ऊपर नीचे नहीं देख रहे हो, आप उनको honestly with good non-verbal language उनकी बात को absorb कर रहे हो और सही तरीके से feedback दे रहे हो, सही तरीके से respond कर रहे हो. It is very important for another person to be feeling heard, not to listen, but actually to feel heard. That is your key success in the corporate world. Point number 4, and a point that I have learned and fell in love with over time. I genuinely believe this, and I know a lot of people who've showed up at Hustle also believe this. The fact that hard work will beat talent any day. You can be the smartest in the room, you can be the most intelligent, you can have an amazing 4.0 GPA. But if you're not able to put consistent, everyday, disciplined, hard work into what you're passionate about, your passion will remain unanswered. हमने इतने कितने सारे लोग देखे जो इतने brilliant होते हैं, high achievers होते हैं, लेकिन they're not being able to do much with what they would like to do. उसका क्या reason है? You need to be able to formulate disciplined habits, hard-working, consistent habits which will get you the result that you want. I feel this is one of the biggest challenges that we have, and I also feel अक्सर लोग struggle करते हैं. I like to think of it, अगर आप nature में देखें तो एक बहुत तेज़ी से बहता हुआ जो दरिया होता है, वो अपना रास्ता कैसे बनाता है? रोज़ same place, same time, relentlessly going over the same period, same priorities, same behavior every single day, and that is when that beauty of nature truly comes out. So for you to be able to succeed, you need to be very sorted with your habits and believe that hard work will get you places. Point number 5, complaining is taking you nowhere and it is only a reflection of poor attitude. Organizations आपको इसलिए hire नहीं करती कि आप छोटी या बड़ी चीज़ों के बारे में complain करें. I'm not saying you should not be in touch with what you're feeling. If you're not liking something, understand what the problem is, understand what is triggering you, and have a solution-oriented growth attitude and approach. For example, आप एक company में हैं और आपको किसी की बात bother कर रही है. Now you need to be able to understand इसके क्या possible solutions हैं. You can talk to the person. You can have a very honest, forthcoming, authentic conversation with the person, and you can come to a conclusion. अक्सर हम अपना बहुत सारा वक्त, अपनी बहुत सारी एनर्जी कंप्लेन करने में गुजार देते हैं. हर इंसान के पास चॉइस होती है टू आइदर बी अ पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट इन द कंपनी और टू प्ले अ नेगेटिव रोल. आप रोते हुए वक्त गुजार सकते हैं या आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं दैट आई वांट टू बी एबल टू डू समथिंग अबाउट दिस. Once you make that decision, nobody can stop you. You need to be a positive catalyst. You need to be able to be that go-getter who can solve anything. Truth number 6, and perhaps the most karwa one, perhaps the most hard-hitting truth, is that almost every organization will have some level of politics. Some will be very obviously visible in a very toxic culture. Others might be subtle and not so obvious. Important ये है कि आप identify करें कि आप इस organization में, like all organizations have underpaid assets और overpaid liabilities. Underpaid assets वो होते हैं जो बहुत काम करते हैं, जो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, वो passionate भी शायद हो अपने काम के बारे में, लेकिन उनका काम नजर नहीं आता. So if you're that person, you need to be able to show your work more, increase your visibility in a very professional manner. दूसरे वो लोग होते हैं जो perhaps बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत आसानी से चीज़ें कर लेते हैं या उसको इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं, but they are there, they're showing and they're being talked about by everybody. Now this is truly up to you. अगर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का underpaid asset है तो आपको इस बारे में क्या करना है? पहली बात, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करें, अंडरस्टैंड करें कि maybe your work is not being displayed in the right manner, maybe your work is not reaching the right sources. Maybe in the process आपका काम कहीं पे खो जाता है, maybe आप अपने काम की ownership नहीं लेते हैं, maybe आप initiative लेते हुए उसको display नहीं करते. This only you will be able to identify. So rather than sitting on the back seat and saying oh and complaining and thinking कि यार मुझे क्यों मेरी organization appreciate नहीं कर रही, let's talk about what you can do in that situation. You have the ball in your court. Believe that. Once you believe that, once you've been able to identify, work on your visibility. Work on displaying your passion and take ownership. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप proud हो रहे हैं, इसका हरगिज़ ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप arrogant हो रहे हैं. Be able to differentiate between that. इसका truly मतलब ये है, I love my work and I want to be able to present it and showcase it to the world, and there is nothing wrong with that. Own it, embrace it, and enjoy it. This is Aisha Khan with your dose of hard-hitting career truths. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe.